was Gunner and I were going to go out to the Price County system again. I completely forgot that the snow filled up this cab when it came off our big garage roof. And so I kind of scrapped my idea of going for a ride today. So instead we're gonna play around in the snow, I guess. So I guess it's not too bad if you look in my seat. His poor seat has snow and ice frozen to the harness. That's just frozen in between the seats. My feet, I've got it chiseled out so that I can use the controls, but otherwise completely forgot about that. So feels bad, man. So whatever, we'll just make do with what we have. What do you think, Gunner? Can we make that? I think we can, huh? Should we put her in low? Let's do it. Oh no, Gunner. Oh boy. How bad's the lens? Not too bad. Not too bad there, gentle friends. So here's my knee. It's about 2 feet. So it's about 2 feet of snow currently. So this is probably going to be the deep spot. I think once we get up ahead here, we might be all right. Now, the question is, do I have enough winch rope? Not sure if I'm in frame. So I have enough winch rope to get from the UTV, sorry about the plane, to that tree. Well, let's find out. All right, buddy, let's get our strap out. That strap on. So I have the camera on my person. Winch rope, long strap, and there, as you can see, tree saver, not choking out the tree. Man, look how chunky this is. It's just straight up mashed potato snow today with all the drying, or all the warm temperature. Here, good dog, buddy. Poor guy, he has not been in this machine. And when were we last out? That was sometime in October, huh? Yeah, it's been a while. So this is March 9th. Yeah, it's March 9th. So 4 months, or actually, quite frankly, lucky that we get this. Scoot over, buddy. Typically, you can just plan on not doing anything around here for, March and April. So let's get powered up. I always wait for the seat belt light to go out. Everything else You can hear the fuel pump and everything going, so I just let everything work its magic. And then I start playing, turning the engine over and such. Okay. Put it low. Just let the winch catch up. We might be okay now, I'm not sure. That is the one thing in northern Wisconsin. You don't really have to worry too much about not having a tree floating around the winch too. So typically we have those. Let's reverse a little bit, Gunner. There we go, that's a nice bump. All right, we're going to try and get ourselves a spot where we can turn around. So what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to pack the snow down. This is pretty shallow here, Gunner. Let's run up to the gate. Let's just stop here for a minute. So, and do our update. So, if you've seen my last video, I think it was my last video, I've been talking about my Kenda Bear Claw tires. So, what I had thought about doing once I got those tires situated, and I don't know if I'll be able to now. It's going to rain tomorrow and the next day. So, this snow is probably going to go down really fast. But when you get out into, and boy, I haven't been back here in a while, the trees have really grown up. In any case, what my intention was is, you can see what we're working with for snow here. It's, you know, right here. When you get around these trees, it's about 1.5 feet. When you're in more open spots, the snow will blow in and it'll get to be about 2 feet. So right here, 2.5 feet right in this spot. But in any case, these fields are probably about the best I have. There goes some deer. I don't know if you can see them. There's 3. Sorry, if I would have brought my Panasonic, would have been no problem, but I didn't. This was very spur of the moment. Right? Now he's upset. So anyway, this snow is very, the fields are very flat out here. So if I want to do a comparison between the 28-inch carnivores, the 28-inch Bear Claw HTRs, and even though it's not totally fair, but I actually think they'd probably still win, I would have thrown my 27-inch mud lights on there. They're, you know, shorter than the 28s, obviously. They're also a lot wider. So I think they probably would still win in this. Those tires were awesome in the snow. This is kind of cool. Look at this, Gunner. See this? This tree here is growing into this other tree's branch. Here, close-up view. I am not gonna lie though, it is pretty cool that I can get back here with this, because I figured once I got past the part that I plowed up, it was gonna be a full-on winch fest. So only having the winch once, that was not a bad deal.